I have a Beko fridge in 134750X and the temperature display is all wrong. Says the fridge is 37°C and the freezer is 5°C. They are both working, so that's okay, but how do I change the temperatures back to factory settings?
What's the make and model of the fridge? And can you guesstimate how old is it?
It's just over a year.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If it's straightforward.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hi, my name is. I look forward to helping you. Unplug the refrigerator for 5 full minutes to reset the electronics. Does the behavior change when plugged back in?
That's done. Now the display says freezer -5, fridge, bottom fridge/freezer 5°C in freezer mode. You can't call me. I don't have a UK number.
Sorry for the auto call offer, I have no control over those. Will the fridge adjust at all?
I'll try and see what happens.
Thank you.
No luck. The fridge now says 37 again.
Will it change if you try to adjust it or just stay the same?
Fridge goes up only. 37, 40, 43, 46. Haven't tried the freezers.
So it is set to F instead of C. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare some information for you, thank you.
Makes perfect sense. What do I do now?
Odd, it is not showing an option to switch between C and F display, so it would appear that the electronic control is having some programming issues. I would call the manufacturer and see if they may concession the repair if it is close to a year old. Otherwise, I would just use it as is, but that is just me. Wait. Press and hold the vacation button. Does the display change back?
Thanks, Kelly. I can try it here myself. I appreciate your help. If anything does show up, can you let me know? What F temperatures do you recommend for fridge and freezer?
37 and 0 for F setting. Let me know how it goes. It looks like that vacation button should change it back. If you don't, I receive no credit for my work. The deposit you place stays with the site. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
I think you're right about the vacation button. Looks like it's on C now. Mine is 18 and 4. Fingers crossed. Thanks for your help. I appreciate it.
Right on, nice job. Thank you very much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.